Welcome to Rhymicorn, where stories sparkle and rhymes come to life.
Look at the circle, rolling so round, spinning and bouncing, it hardly makes a sound. It's like a wheel or a donut tree, round and smooth with no sharp feet. Next comes a square, strong and proud, four same sides, it shouts out loud, like a window or a boxy seat, with four sharp corners, nice and neat. Here's a triangle, pointy and sly, three little sides that reach the sky. It's like a slice of cheesy pie, or a mountain peak that's way up high. Marching in is the rectangle wide, two long edges and two short sides, like a door or a chocolate bar. It stretches out both near and far. A lovely oval joins the crew, a stretched out circle, long and new, like an egg or a spoonful of jam. It wobbles along with a jelly-like slam. Then comes the star with sparkly light, five shiny points that twinkle bright, like the ones we see up in the sky. It dances with a twinkle in each eye. Diamond glides with a gentle spin, thin and shiny